It is kind of chicken and egg, right? It's like if we are recruiting women or people of color into the company, but there's not a critical mass, then how do we expect for them to stay? You know, because there's not a community feel to allow for the differences to thrive. You know, because then you've got one. You know, and what kind of pressure is that on a person to then also, do your job as well as represent everybody? Can you imagine if like white men had that pressure on them every day? You know, you must represent all white men. Like you can't be an individual. Okay? So, and I'm gonna be stereotypical. Bob.
Are there any Bobs here?
Yeah. Oh, hey Bob.
Hey,
okay.
Bob.
So Bob, right there, is responsible for Frank and Henry and Craig and everybody stand up. I'm calling your name, you better stand up. No, I'm kidding. Just kidding. But Bob is responsible for everyone. You know, when Bob makes a mistake, it's not just Bob's mistake, it's everybody's mistake. And so now Bob is feeling the pressure of not just doing his job well, but making sure that he doesn't screw it up for everybody else. Mm-hmm. That's what we go through every day. Mm-hmm. You know, and so my feeling is that perhaps we start with putting the pressure on Bob to make sure that there are more of everyone else in the room. And therefore, when the next person comes in who does not look like Bob, there are other people to help change the environment.